Hey Travis, how you doing, sir? This is Leo Aron again, and I know you're super busy, man. So I'm going to make this short, sweet, and to the point for you. Again, I work with very few local roofing companies in each area. I can only accept a few clients in each city because I don't want there to be a conflict of interest. I don't want to accept too many people, and I can't get everybody up in that top map pack listing. So I only work with a couple people, and I don't work with nobody on the first page. I don't have anything against them. I've just always been an underdog, and I love trying to help the underdogs. As you see here, you're on the third. You're at the very top of the third page for roofing. Owensboro, Kentucky is a common phrase a lot of people search. And most times, 70% of the searchers don't even go past the first page. And 75% of searchers usually pick out of that top three map pack. So that's my goal, is to get you there to that top three in that map pack. So I want to take a look at your site. First thing I notice is this number here. I love it. If I've got a hole in my roof, I'm not trying to scour your site trying to find your number. I like to come in and find it immediately. So I love that. Love the name. But the first thing that pops to my eyes is there's not enough content on here. There is just minimal content. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words. Content is king in Google's eyes. So I know you got the website out, and when people search roofing Owensboro, Kentucky, or Owensboro, Kentucky roofing jobs or roofing contractors, I want your name to pop up first. That way you get the business. Again, 75% of all clicks go on the top three on that local map pack, and that's what I specialize in, is moving you to that top three spots and getting you to that first page. I love how you've got all these separate pages here, but again, it's just lacking content. These pages need to have anywhere between 500 and 750. So again, 100 or 1,500 to 2,000 for your home page, and these need to have about 500 to 750. And that's to rank high in Google's eyes. I'll show you another trick. You were so awesome on the phone. Not as friendly as a lot of people. They don't know what I'm actually here to do. A lot of people don't hire people like me because they don't know who's an expert and who's not. And that's the reason I shoot these screencast videos, is to show you that I know what I'm talking about. So you have this image, or someone has this image saved as all these numbers here. That is incorrect. There needs to be a buyer intent keyword inside this. This is what this picture needs to be saved as. Skimmerhorn Contracting or Roofing Owensboro. That's just another keyword that Google picks up on, because Google goes through an algorithm and it doesn't see pictures, it just sees words. So whenever Google scours this site, it doesn't see that you got a picture of a house. It sees you got a picture of 258-59846, which we need to make it say Skimmerhorn Contracting or Roofing Owensboro, Kentucky. Something that is buyer intent keywords, and we'll cover keywords here in just a second. Now, the reason I reached out to you is because I'm confident that we can beat this site. This is the #1 site in roofing for Owensboro. And as you can see, the same thing. They have no content. They have minimal back pages, and they don't have any content. And I know their pictures are not saved correctly either. So that's one thing that we will work on, is getting those pictures saved correctly, getting the right amount of content on there. And then I use this tool called Ahrefs. I've got the #1 competitor versus you pulled up here. This is just the strength of your site, how strong it is, and the trust or popularity. This is out of 100. So they're 11 and 2.4. You are not ranking data for that, which is fine. Like I said, once we start doing things that Google wants to see, your site will have trust and power and strength. Now, another thing is backlinks. Backlinks, if you don't know, is this URL is somewhere else on the internet, under a blog post, under a construction site, somewhere. They've got 82 and you've got 11. So what I do is I go in here and I match these backlinks. And not only do I match them, I go over what they have. So if they've got 82, we're going to get you 182. That way there's no back and forth. Once you outrank these people, they're out of your rear view. You're not seeing them no more. They're not coming back. But what I do is go back here and I find all the sites. I can go to those sites myself and put backlinks in for your site, Skimmerhorn Contracting, and have it back to your page. Another thing is citations. A lot of these 00s can be beat by citations. A citation is a name, address, phone number, also known as NAP. That's in Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Yext. And this is something easy you can do yourself, Travis. You can go there and put your business name, the business address, and the business phone number, and that counts as a citation that comes back to your site that gives you more strength, more popularity, more trust. It's going to build these numbers here. These are out of 100. We want those as close to each other as we can get. One final thing before I let you go here is the keywords. Now, keywords is one thing, but buyer intent keywords is what we're looking for. They've got 34 keywords that brings in 22 organic traffic a month. You have one, and it brings in 0 traffic. So you have no traffic coming in from Google, and 70% of your business should come off your Google listing, because when someone needs help, they jump right on Google and they start searching. They start looking for things that they can, people that they can call to come fix a problem. And that's what you are. You are a problem solver. So what I do is I go see what keywords they have, and they have decent keywords. Contractors in Owensboro, Kentucky, roofing contractors in Owensboro, Kentucky. Those are buyer intent. So when people see those or enter those into Google, 9 times out of 10, they're looking for roofing contractors in Owensboro that's going to come and do work for them. So my job is to find out all the most important, the highest traffic keywords in your area and apply them. So if it was roofer contractors Owensboro, this is bringing 30 extra people a month. If I can send you 30 more clients and you can land even half of those, that's 15 more jobs. And you know what 15 extra jobs will do for you a month. That would be a little bit more extra change in your pocket. So we went over content, which needs to be 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, 5 to 750 on the pages behind it. We went over backlinks. That's links coming from other sites to yours. Keywords, and keywords, like I said, is these right here, these buyer intent keywords. And the last thing was the citations, your name, address, phone number that you can put in to Yelp, Yellow Pages, anywhere like that, and that'll give your site more strength. Roofing contractors in Owensboro, Kentucky is the one keyword that you do have, which is not a bad keyword, honestly. 0 KD, that means it's easier to rank it. So what I could do is take this keyword amongst many other and plug it into your content on your home page. So it'll be Owensboro, Kentucky, roofing contractors will go up in here, but it will really flow with the sentences and the content that I put together for you. Again, Travis, I really appreciate how nice you was on the phone and giving me a chance to shoot this free website audit video for you. It'll be coming through to you shortly. Hope you enjoy it. You can get back in touch with me at 270-841-3600 or the email that is coming from. You can just use that email and contact me back. Let me know what you think about this. Hope everything works out for you, buddy. I'd love to see you on that first page soon, and you have a good night.